Hey Brett, ready for another adventure? We're using our sail today. It's going to help broaden our range here. We're going to sail downwind using the trolling motor just as a rudder. Right now it's not on, but it keeps us on course here, and the wind's blowing us downwind, just due downwind. Get down there and we'll start fishing. Probably use our trolling motor and our paddle to get back. But right now, as it is, we don't have to paddle a lick, not a single one. Now we're going to paddle and sail at the same time. Might really add some speed to your paddling, I'll tell you. This is fun, Brittany. You can see we're moving out pretty good. Look, I'm not paddling. Check it out. It's been raining hard. It's flooded everywhere. It's so nice to have a sail. Just kick back. We can use our rudder. Whee! Just acts. It's a sail rudder. It turns us. Pretty guidable. Go that way. Go this way. That way. Whee! Yeah.
Hang on, I'm gonna floor it. Hey, Crashy, got something for you. Oh crap, I got cat bombed.